What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I gotta admit, I'm kind of digging, like, a little bit of a backstory. I spend most of my time on a laptop, staring at a screen. The glamorous life that I lead, guys, as a YouTuber or whatever you want to call me, basically puts you behind the laptop for a long time. Well, what I've been able to do recently, because the shop is quite a far, pretty far drive, is like doing a lot of the little small projects, especially with like Pop's car. Here, like in the afternoons and stuff, it gets me off the computer, and I get to get some stuff knocked up. So I just said knocked up. Oh God, heaven be praised. Anyway, so let me go ahead and bring you up to speed on where we're at, and then I'll show you what the what is today. Let's go. Okay. So, to bring everybody up to speed, yes, I have a towel there protecting the new carpet. To bring everybody up to speed, what we've been doing recently, because Pop's car is making its world debut at the LMR Cruise-In in Dallas, and of course Foxtoberfest in Charlotte. Just did the headliner and all the new sun visors, so that was major upgrade. Absolutely looks amazing. If you've got questions about how to do it, videos right here on the channel, a couple vlogs back. So what I've done since then, and if you watch the video, you already know we've got the console out. The console is going up to Ohio to be totally refurbished by my buddy Dan at Neo Mustangs. So it will come back, it will look amazing, and really this interior will really start to come together. Let's see, I do have some other odds and ends, like I'll show you here in just a minute, but what the project is today is back here. And guys, it is original, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, carpet's rough back here. And we did all the carpet up there, the main part, but you can see, I mean, it's freaking old. What do you expect? So, and I will say I'm a little frustrated that the car has to be seen with these plastics, but guys, I'm telling you, I'm working on it. And I did have an individual hit me up, and I can't remember his name, but that said he had a bunch of parts cars, and I was welcome to see what he had. And if you would, message me again, please. But anyway, so we're gonna replace this carpet, and this is kind of an involved job. Not really necessarily this part, but doing this part. I've actually never done this. It's not hard, but and there are some great tutorial videos that LMR did, so check that out if you want an actual how-to. I'm just going to kind of give you an overview. But we're going to make Pop's car. We're going to kind of finish off the back end here with fresh carpet, which is, of course, right here. And I've had it out of the box and in the sun quite a bit. It's flattened out really nice, but guys, this stuff is nice and thick. I mean, this is really nice carpet, and it's got the extra sound deadening, which is nice. Very nice added touch. So we're gonna get that installed, and then I've got a bunch of other stuff right here on the table I need to show you. All right, so, and if you're new to the Fox body game, there's only 3 letters you need to know: LMR.com. Basically, you can buy almost anything for these cars. Save a few odds and ends here and there, but they pretty much got you covered. So I've already had these, and I'm gonna do those later, but I got brand new switch plates because the one in Pop's car were really nasty, so we're going to replace those. And these are really nice, guys. I mean, it's just those little touches that make such a difference. Got an OE Ford shift knob from LMR, guys. That's OE. That's not a reproduction. Yeah. Then also, when I was taking the console apart, you remember I didn't have the plug over here. We got plugs. And then also the ones in the console were broke, so got left and right. And then these go in the armrest. I had a couple of them missing, so I went ahead and got those. We've got the triangles that go up at the top of the door. Both of the ones in Pop's car are cracked. And then the final piece to the puzzle. Thank you again, Tom, we got the factory radio. I guess I've got it sitting upside down, but factory radio with the little pocket below it. I'm excited. It's when I finally slide this into that freshly restored console from Dan, it's gonna look amazing. So guys, it's one of those things where this has been a long process. It's been a long restoration, which I say that, but it's been about a year. But it's come so far, and it's like you just knock out these little projects here and there, and then eventually, boom, you got a badass car. So, all right, let me get this carpet out of here, and I've got to get the back seat upper portions out. We'll put those on the table and get this party started. All right, carpet is out, and this will kind of be what you're looking at once all that is out of the way. I'm probably going to go ahead and order this. Guys, I'm telling you, LMR's got it. They've got it. I'm probably going to go ahead and order this. This one's seen a little water damage, and it's kind of iffy, but yeah, it is what it is. No, I did not do that. Okay, so now let me get these back seat uppers out. That's the hard part. The bottom's easy. Like, that literally takes 5 seconds, but the top's going to be a little more involved. Knock that out. All right, gents, so with that being out, and you know what, LMR just released this kit to replace that, and if I had any freaking brains, hey, I need that. If I had any freaking brains, I would have ordered that before I started this project. But yeah, backs are out. So obviously this is the carpet we're replacing. Take these screws out, take this off, and they got little push pins all the way around it, and then some staples behind it. And this is the hard part of the job, guys. This is the pain in the ass. So again, go back and watch the LMR video. They go into detail on how to do this. I'm gonna try and bang this out real quick, let you check them out. Okay, we are mid-process here, and I know you're saying to yourself, screw that. I do not. Repeat, do not fool with upholstery work, guys. I don't either. I hate upholstery work. This isn't bad. This is basic stuff. Push pins, staples, stuff like that. And this carpet, it also has staples along here. And I'm just about ready to start putting the other carpet back on. I mean, you've got staples all around here. This carpet's about to come off. There was some staples in here. But as you can see, guys, they're Christmas trees, really. Hold that in. So bear with, guys. I'm telling you, if I can do this, and I hate upholstery work, I have no experience whatsoever, you can do this too. All right, making a little bit of progress here. So here's the deal. Got the piece of carpet here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that centered on this piece of plastic here. And then I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna staple these. You can see that's how they did it from the factory. Sorry about the dogs, they're crazy. That's gonna help keep it centered, and that's why they leave this extra here. So I'm gonna get this centered, start putting this thing on. All right, so because I am who I am and I don't read directions, and I just kind of go with things once I get on a roll. So I stapled this all back down, which is what you're supposed to do. The problem is, as you see these little holes, that's what these go into so that the fabric sticks to it. Well, I just kind of went hog wild with my stapler. I had it nice and tight, and none of the push pins would go in. It's because I stapled in the wrong places. So now I'm redoing this, so don't do that when you do this, because this just set me back about 30 minutes. But anyways, there's your tip of the day. Let's get after it. All right, guys, pop it in real quick. So here's the situation. Obviously, when you put the new carpeted panel back on, these push pins have to go through. Well, the first time I just went like this and, you know, obviously stapled on, you know, opposite of the holes. Well, I used it all and popped holes in it. The pins didn't like it. They didn't push in enough to get a good grip. So I ended up taking it the other side back apart and trimming it. So this is what I'm doing on the second one. You can see I'm notching them out because the pins do not. They just don't have enough grab to get in there and grab that hole. So make sure you're leaving yourself enough. And I did this on the other side, so trust me, I know what the heck I'm doing. And it's not like you can replace these Christmas trees because they're sewn into the fabric. So yeah, you need as much bite as you can get. So there's your tip for the day, and we're getting close to the finish line on this one. All right, gents, side 2 is done. It was a lot better getting these getting those Christmas trees in. And just be careful because I got real close up there at the top. So, but yeah, it looks great. Came out great. All right, boys. So what we're left with, big pile of 30-something-year-old carpet, and for the full reveal, my DeWalt. No, I'm just kidding. For the full reveal, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I haven't even vacuumed it yet. And it's a little big right there. And I've played with it and played with it. But, I mean, overall, just another amazing difference. I wish the plastics looked that good. See what I mean, guys? It's just a little... so close. It doesn't look bad at all. I'm literally not gonna stand here and complain. Was this job a pain in the ass? The seat backs were, the carpet, like, you can throw that in, but the seat backs were kind of a pain in the ass. But you know, it's just like anything else. Once you've done it and you kind of figure out all the little quirks, really nothing to it. Overall, guys, I'm gonna get in here and tweak on it a little bit, and you know, probably gonna go ahead and put those bottom screws in, make sure it's all fitting good everywhere. But just another one off the list. Like I said, guys, you know, it's just like you can just keep chipping it away, and eventually you've got a car that's, you know, fully restored. And you know, it's when you do big projects like that, you get all the heavy lifting done, and then you can go back in and tweak and, you know, make some adjustments and do this and that. And you know, when I put the carpet in the car, I had to do that too. Like, I got it in, and you know, it just seemed like forever just sitting there trimming and trying to get it right. But if, you know, then eventually it was fine, you know, and it's all done and over with now, and it's good to go. So but my main thing is, I hope you guys get some value out of this. You know, do some projects in your garage on the Saturday or Sunday or whenever, you know, you have time. You know, it's just, you get attached to things when you, or at least I do. When I work on stuff, I get instantly attached to it. So helps keep you going through the difficult times of project car hell. And I swim in that every day, just in case you guys didn't know. So guys, that is pretty much what is up. Pop's car will be in Dallas for the LMR Cruise In, and then Charlotte for I almost said Streetcar Takeover, for Foxtoberfest. So get to see it there. That's why I'm kind of really giving it that last push, so it'll be ready, and you guys can check it out, this old Resto 89 GT. So that is what is up. If you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.